Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos. Hello students, we've already seen the theory part of Venturi meter and Orifice meter. So today we'll be looking at the numericals and different varieties in it. So this question is on orifice meter. Let's read out the question once again. An orifice meter with diameter 15 centimeters inserted in a pipe of diameter 30. The pipe diameter is 30, the diameter of the orifice is 15. The pressure difference measured by the differential mercury gives a reading of 50 centimeter of mercury. Find the rate of flow if the specific gravity of fluid is 0.9 and the coefficient of discharge is 0.64. So it's a similar question on Venturi meter, but the difference is here it's orifice meter, so the areas will be different. The area will be the area of the orifice and the area of the pipe. So let's calculate the areas first and then substitute the values in the formula. Now we've got the value of A1, A2. Next is to calculate the value of H and then get the value of discharge. So using the formula you'll get the value of the theoretical discharge, and after you multiply it with the CD value that is given as 0.64, you get the value of actual discharge, which comes out to 0.1374 meter cube per second. So I hope you understood the question. Thank you.